guys, Ralph here. I'm planning a few new projects. Firstly, it's quite early in the morning, to be honest. Not too early, it's like 10 o'clock or something. But I've actually had a delivery from Amazon. I mean, wow. So I'm really impressed with that. First box I've already opened anyway, but I've got two of these case fans, 80mm case fans. They cost a couple of quid each. What one of my original ideas was, this is the fan from hell, was change the blades in here. Now these have got a lot more fans, blades, but they've got probably more space. So what we're going to do is try and take the blades out of that and put these in, but that's a separate project anyway. So what I need is to test this. A few videos ago, I have a problem with lighting here. You get too close and it rolls, kind of like that. But I had an idea the other day of trying to get different lighting, strip lighting. But now I'm going to try something. I'm going to try this. This is the LED photo light fill light. I mean, it doesn't seem too bad. It puts on the top of a tripod. I think this cost me about 15 quid or something. But let's have a try, shall we? See if I can get some of the different. Right, at least there's a diffuser on this one and a different colour diffuser, but I'll probably never use that. I've got some material floating around somewhere. Yeah, that I can cut to these shapes anyway and slot them in case I have problems. So, first job is, I'm not too keen on all of these LEDs, but to be honest, I could probably quite easily replace them once they've blown. They don't look bad actually, so bag away. Oh, alright. Oh, okay. See, I'll probably just mount this somewhere. I mean, I can quite easily mount this, stick this, because it's going to be above here where these two lights are. You can see them moving whenever, but you can't see them. There's one of them. But I'll probably put this behind where the light is so it'll shine down. So what I need then, oh dear, better. According to this, I need 6.5 volts to 17? That's a bit odd. Right, let's get the right connector, shall we? I think that fits like a dream. Right, this is from a transformer on the wall, which is 15 to 24. Now, they do use, you can use a battery pack, but I haven't got a battery pack that will fit on this anyway. But why is it 17 volts? That's a bit strange. Output, this is a full regulator in there to do this. Powered by 7.4 lithium battery, if you've got one. Lifespan more than 50,000 hours. Okay, so it sounds like it's good. It's going to work. So that's with the normal garage lights on. I don't really want to run that much volts through, so what I'm going to do is use my other transformer, which is this thing, and I'm going to run it on as low as I can get, 6.5 volts. So put it on 5, let's put it to 6, see what happens. I need to get a connector for that, so I'll just jump cut that one. Connector found. In she goes. Right, not in the thing. So I've got 6 volts on this. We're testing. By God, sometimes I really am testing. So 6 volts is on. In. Ooh. That's showing nothing. Power is on 00. So that doesn't work on 6 volts then. Just flashes up that. Okay, let's try and go up. It is strange, 6.0 to 7. 99, what's that mean? Ooh. I'm not sure too much. That shows our percentage. Does that go up higher? 10%. So 10% is quite, it's not, it hurts a little. Okay, so that's where it wants to be. That's on 62 per 100, around 7 volts, shall we? Original lights, give a little bit. I'm not fully convinced. So let's try 9 volts. I don't think there's any difference. Alright, let's go up to 12. I wonder if the actual voltage on this does mean a different lighting. Or whether the regulator just going to regulate anyway. So that's on full. Yeah. I need to try and do I know what I need to do. Let's try the other one. Right, so 12 volts is fine. It will go up to 17. So I have got on my other one 15 volts, 16 volts. Let's see if this doesn't blow it up. Okay. You know, I don't think there's a difference. I'm going to try and blind myself. Yeah, that hurts. Let's go back on this one. Down to 7.5 volts, which is the lowest we could have needed to do. I don't know if there's a difference or not. I think there is actually. Oh God, that's blinding. Both of them are. So, let's try that on. Let's try it up 1 volt. 16 volts. That's on 7. That's on 18.5. There's no difference. But either way, I think I don't know. It's more light from the on these two, to be honest. Been alright for a flash on a camera, that's not too bad. But I don't know. I'm not totally convinced. Right, let's see what happens with the diffusion on it. Diffusion obviously it just comes into white. It's on 31%. Oh no. No, that's a lot better. Got dark hair around here for some reason. Oh, I need to try that again. Let's see, with diffuser, without diffuser, doesn't really do much, is it? And line on this, come off. Fine. It just gives things a little bit of a warm sort of glow. Maybe I'll get that to work, to be honest. Yeah, that's not bad. Down to 10% at its lowest, which is still quite bright for the camera. I can see it. But yeah, it's not bad, that. So I think we'll have a go at using this and try and see if I can mount it somewhere. Should be easy enough. I can easily put that somewhere and into the shelf above, do something. So yeah, brilliant. And it's a shame it didn't come with its own power supply, but yeah, I'll have that. We'll try that one for new lighting. So yep, thanks for watching. I'll clean the camera. No, I won't. Just the sign. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.